Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest product reviews and comparisons. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, Secura Air Fryer XL and Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you're looking for an air fryer that can cook for the whole family, Secura Air Fryer XL is perfect with a 5.3 quart capacity. However, if you have limited counter space, Ninja AF101 Air Fryer takes the lead with its compact design. Both air fryers can fry, roast, bake, reheat, or grill. However, Ninja AF101 Air Fryer has a dehydrating function that can create chip-like snacks. Both products use convection technology for healthier cooking, but Ninja AF101 Air Fryer has a wider temperature range that can gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Both air fryers are dishwasher safe, but Ninja AF101 has a ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate that ensures easy cleaning. Secura Air Fryer XL's price is $70, while Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is priced at $129. And that concludes our comparison between Secura Air Fryer XL and Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Both products have great features, but they cater to different needs. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.